Hi, today we are going to learn about determining experimental probability. Let's look at a problem. Solve. A card is picked from a deck 60 times, put back, and then another is picked. If 44 times the card is not a spade, what is the probability that next card picked will be a spade? Now, first of all, let's learn about the formula for experimental probability. Experimental probability is given by number of times the event has occurred divided with the total number of trials. This is how experimental probability is given. So now we need to calculate here what is the probability that next card will be a spade. So how many times the spade is not appearing? 44 times the card is not a spade. And what are the total number of trials? 60. So probability of card being not a spade will be given by probability of card being not a spade equals 44 by 60. Number of times event has occurred divided by the total number of trials. And as we know, for any event the total probability is 1. So if I want to calculate the probability of card being a spade, I can subtract being not a spade from 1. So let us do that. Probability of card being a spade equals 1 minus 44 by 60. That's 60 by 60 minus 44 by 60. That's equal to 16 over 60. Simplified to, I can divide by 4. 4 over 15, which is the answer in the A part. We can highlight it. Next problem. Solve. A spinner is spun 30 times and does not land in the red area 24 times. What would be the probability Creech would expect for the next spin to land in the red? Again, let's calculate probability of first not landing in the red area. Probability of spinner not landing in red area becomes 24 over 30. Number of times event has occurred divided by the total number of trials, which, so I can subtract from 1 to get the probability of landing in red area. Probability of spinner landing in red area becomes 1 minus 24 over 30, which can be written as 30 over 30 minus 24 over 30, which is equal to 6 over 30, can be simplified by 6, which becomes 1 by 5. So A 1 by 5 is our answer. Next problem. Solve. A card is picked from a deck 40 times, put back, and another is picked. If 27 times the card is not a spade, what is the probability that next card picked will be a spade? Probability of not picking a spade, not being a spade rather, of card not being a spade will be 27 by 40, and I need for card being a spade at the next trial. So probability of card being a spade will be 1 minus 27 by 40, which can be 40 by 40 minus 27 by 40, which is 13 over 40, which is the answer in the C part. I hope you can practice more problems on determining experimental probability now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.